Hi, my YouTube family. How we doing today? So, as you can see in the description box below, I am having my recipe for curry chicken. I have some curry chicken here with some vegetables. I have some cabbage and some white rice. And if you want to know how I prepared my curry chicken, the link is in the description box below. If you want to know how I made cabbage, it's in the description box below. How we doing? Before we get started, how's your day going? How's your evening, your night, your afternoon? Pause my videos, go grab your snack, put your feet up, enjoy my conversation, or even if I don't conversation, enjoy me eating this wonderful meal that I have prepared. Leave me a comment in the bottom, share my videos so we can all move on together. I am so excited. Oh, so the meal, like I said, this will be in my description box below. And how I prepared this curry chicken, white rice and cabbage. Oh wow, it's so delicious. The carrots are so sweet. Wow. Let me go get me some more gravy. I'll be right back. All right. Oh, so good. So what y'all been doing? How did y'all enjoy my Filipino my first time doing a Filipino? I need some pointers because it didn't for me. I wanted the skin. I want to get that crispiness that you guys have when y'all do y'all mukbang for y'all pork belly. This chicken is falling off the bone. Yep. I know I'm gonna get it. I'm probably just gonna have to have practice in doing it. I did another video. I don't know if I put it up yet. Sometimes I be forgetting about I did a video until when I go to upload one, I see that I have another video that I hadn't even put up. I told y'all sometimes I be having things on my mind that I forget to upload. And they be all out of order. Because I don't edit right away. By the time I finish doing the video, either my husband comes home or I get interrupted with a phone call. Then I end up doing another video. Cause I don't know if for y'all my new subscribers, welcome to my channel. And just to let you guys know that I eat 3 meals a day. Like right now, I already had breakfast. Breakfast is over. And it is 3:30 right now. And I will be eating again around 6 o'clock. I'll probably have some more of this. Cabbage. If it be any left. I'm telling y'all, this when you get fresh carrots, they are so sweet. Thank y'all again for supporting me on my journey with this YouTubing. Thanks to all my subscribers. I'm so happy. I'm going to get to learn your guys' channel, what you guys do. Look at that sweet carrot that I cut up. It's so good. My daughter said stay for a little bit. I don't know if that's gonna happen. So good. And that curry flavor. I wish y'all can taste this. This is so good. It just melts in your mouth. Don't have to chew really. Except for my meat, I chew that. And guess what? Guess what's back in stores? My pineapple juice. You can't go wrong with pineapple juice. Oh. I don't know if I said it in my other videos that they've been, the stores have been very, very low when it comes to juices. A lot of companies have been short, a lot of stores. I'm getting ready to upload a couple of videos in my chamber. Because I'm going to take a little trip. I don't know if I'm going to video anything. I have to see. Oh, I am going to video one thing though. I ain't going to tell y'all what it is, but definitely going to video it. I won't be able to edit till I come back. I can edit from my phone, but if I really want y'all to see it. But what's that? A cabbage. Okay. Because I know I got some onions in here. I try not to put the onions in my plate. Okay. Some things of the chicken, like the skin part, sometimes is very good. I don't know. It really is good. Josephine, this was so good. I ain't saved none. Josephine, it was so good. You know why? Because it's different. It's homemade. I find that I eat more when I cook myself. So when you go out and I eat that sodium food, Best believe I get hungry. Oh, I'm full. I got one little tiny little piece. I'm gonna try to put it down. Excuse me. Look at that. Excuse me. That was good. Okay. I just want to come in and show you guys this is the wonderful meal that I made. A lot of times I'll show you guys that I cook something, but I don't show y'all that I eat it, because a lot of times when I'm finished, I'm not going to do something. By the time I come back, me and my husband, my daughter, we sit down and eat, and I forget about video because my husband's not ready to be on YouTube. My daughter, she'll be in the background, but he's not ready to physically show himself. He always call me asking, am I done? Before he come home. I miss my pineapple juice so much. So everyone, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell. Hit the like button. Leave me a comment. Share my videos with all your friends and all your family so we can all move on together. Everyone, have a wonderful, safe, and a blessed day. And I will see you in the next video. Bye. Uh-oh.